Please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I would really appreciate it, and I appreciate you for visiting my channel and listening to my content. All right, let's get into it.
No, I'm not.
You're not.
As a huge believer of crypto and blockchain and tokenization, I want the SEC to rapidly approve the tokenization of bonds and stocks. That will simplify things, make things easier. Some of the tax on BlackRock would never have to vote on a proxy vote anymore because every owner of record would be notified through a tokenization of equities. And it would save more money for more people. It would bring down the cost of ownership of stock and bonds. So those are the type of financial reforms we need.
Right.
So the thing about it is that now we have BlackRock screaming for tokenization. And I think I did watch the video that you sent me just to answer that. But you have BlackRock screaming for tokenization now, but yet and still they're making everyone think that we're going to need another 10 years to tokenize. Well, BlackRock would not be screaming for tokenization if tokenization wasn't already done and ready. Like, you gotta look at the things that's going on. You have to pay attention to what's going on. They're telling you on the left side that, yeah, it's gonna take another 10 years for tokenization. But then you have one of the biggest investment firms that's screaming and shouting and yelling for tokenization to be done now. They want regulatory clarity to clear so they could have tokenization happen now. Well, the only way that could happen is if they already have things tokenized. That's why he wants to put a rush on it. Mr. Larry Fink wants to put a rush on it because tokenization is already done. Half of the things they have, or not even, right, not even half of the things, right? Everything that they are invested in, it's already tokenized. So all the real estate, the stocks, the bonds, and all of that stuff, those stuff are already tokenized already. That's why he's screaming and shouting for tokenization. But also, if you think about it, right? He was over the weekend in Davos screaming and shouting for tokenization. Then Monday, DeepSeek comes out and crashes the market. I mean, I want to say that something fishy is going on because if the things were tokenized on the blockchain, this would not have happened because the blockchain would have protected all of those things.
All those companies would have been affected.
Right, because the blockchain would have protected them. So it's weird how that happened, right? Because once you tokenize all of these things, you're going to be protected against all of this type of BS because the blockchain is going to help with that. Now, there's going to be people that's going to say no, 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 but if you understand the technology, then you would understand that, yes, it would. The blockchain would not. Yeah, the blockchain would not allow this to happen. But that's just weird how he was screaming and shouting for it. And I find it to be very weird, but again, is what I keep on saying. People they keep getting lost in the sauce when it comes to this industry. Yeah, they keep getting lost in the sauce. Right, it has nothing to do with stocks. Not one thing to do with stocks.
Sponsor events that make things easier when it comes to transactions and stuff.
Correct. It's going to make things easier, right? So he's here and he's talking about it. He wants it. And I want to know why he wants it so bad. I wonder if anybody's even putting that together in their mind. Like, if tokenization is supposed to take another 10 years, why is he screaming and shouting for it right now? Well, you're going to... Yeah, you're going to have those people, because they're dumb, you're going to have those people that's going to say, well, that's because he wants it to get started. No, he's not going to be yelling and he's not going to be yelling and screaming for it right now if they were not ready to go right now.
Especially the fact that all these other nations are signing up with BRICS is the reason why he's pushing it.
Right. Exactly. Because you got all these other countries, all these nations that joined the BRICS now. The 23 that just joined, right? And all of them are, they're ready to go. So Larry Fink is basically on some like, yeah, I think it's about time we press the button. Yeah.
Get into agreement already. Fix this shit. Stop with the greed.
Right.
We need to move on.
Exactly.
We're gonna be left behind.
And we already left behind. We are.
We're gonna be a third world country already.
Yeah, we are going to be a third world country. We're very damn near pretty close.
Yep.
Believe it or not.
Right.
You know, but we're way behind the 8 ball on this one. We're way behind on the 8 ball on this one. Like this thing doesn't make any sense, bro. Like it doesn't make any sense. It really doesn't. You know, I know Trump just got in office, but he needs to start to really light a fire under a lot of these people's asses. Because if this deep seek thing came and crashed the market like this is ridiculous. They just lost 7% in the stock market, which in total, right, in the total markets, that's $70 trillion.